Hello guys, welcome to the channel named Freestyler. Today I will tell you about how to construct a 2D game with coding on computer with the help of a website Construct 3. This video is made for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
So let's start. First we will click on this new project button, then click on create, then we will zoom out. Now we will change the settings of layout. We will keep the viewport size and the layout size same. So we have done editing the layout. Now we will add a ground to our game. For this you can also right click at anywhere or double click. We will name it as ground. Then click on insert. X plus sign will appear. Left click and this animations editor will open. We will color the ground as black. Then exit this. We will size it as 854 into 30 and we will position it position it at 427, 465. Now we will add a block. We will insert a block now. Name it as block and then click insert. Left click the screen and we will color the block as white. We will size it as 40 into 40 and position it anywhere. Now we will add a behavior, both of them. We will add a physics behavior. So physics. Then add this physics behavior. And check this invisible box. Exit this window. Then select block and add a new behavior. We will add physics behavior to this tool. Add. Exit this. We will change the elasticity here to 0.6. This one. Let's test our game. We want, if we left click anywhere, a block will be created. So let's first add a mouse input. Click insert. Then go to add event sheet 1 and click on add event. Go to mouse and select on click. Remain these two same. So if we left click the mouse, then go to system, create object. We will create object. We will create a block that mouse and X means where the mouse will be, there only the object will be created. And mouse Y. Feel free to pause the video and do it as same as I am doing. Now we will randomize the colors, means if whenever the block is created there will be randomized colors. So go to on block, go to this section, select on created, then click next, means when the block is created, set color, select set color, and we will set color as this RGBEX for is for color, and this brackets for the color. So random 10 to 90, comma random 10, comma 90, comma random 10, comma 90 means there will be random colors and there will be no light colors, no much light colors and no much dark colors. So this is perfect. We also want that whenever we right click the mouse button, the block disappears. So go to mouse, on click, change it to right, means on right button clicked, destroy the block. Now let's test our game. Wow, when we click the left mouse button, random colored boxes appears, whereas when we click the right mouse button over a block, the block disappears. So we have finished making the first part of our game.